bowling alley. We got Mariah. And then we got Janae over here getting her ball.
They don't have no smalls. What the hell?
What about over here?
Oh, there it is.
Bet. All right, y'all. So we are about to bowl. So we got our balls here. I have my ball. This is the one I'm gonna start out with, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna do what it need to do, but
I found the street of the house in which she's lived. My diary's full of her name on every page. 'Cause I read the matter you thought enough of me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands and done my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, years is on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me?
up here when we making some progress. We got our little drinky drink. Cause they was taxing in here, y'all. Like, Johnny. But yeah, y'all. Got our little drinks. Okay. We came prepared, y'all. What happened? Alright, y'all, my turn. I'll come back in a minute.
I'm just saying like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll see my world with you. You wanna take some time. I'll be honestly, open your eyes and see. You give it what you need. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to
goodness, they cheated you.
Did you go get that smear?
They cheated you. Did you see how close it was? What hair? I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry.
I was like, why didn't it go down?
Right, Oh my god. I think. Oh damn.
I think if you got it more to the right, yeah. You did good.
All right, y'all. I gotta get a strike, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all pray for me.
You did good.
Maybe
You can pick it up.
despair, baby, despair. Y'all. Let me use another. Let me see what this ball talking about.
That was pretty good.
It's not. I never get all of them.
Yeah, it's so good though.
Like what is that, y'all? Why has the bowling alley forsaken me? Oh no!